Now that all the blackberries have died off, look what the arch has for us. Do you see it? Hello. It's so pretty. Look, check out the other ones that are crawling up the arch. And then when you go under the arch, we threw an old pumpkin out. You see all them yellow flowers? Those are pumpkins. And then, as if that's not exciting enough, over here, I thought that was cantaloupe and that this was watermelon, but this may be the cantaloupe, and that clearly looks more like watermelon. How exciting!